Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure on reselling your tickets on Ticketmaster UK. You can resell your tickets on Ticketmaster UK through their official resale platform, which is designed to provide a safe and a secure way for the fans to sell tickets they no longer use. Here's how you can do it. First of all, you know the drill, check your internet connection and open up a browser, log into your account by typing in ticketmaster.co.uk. So when you type in the link, go ahead and tap the profile icon from the top right hand side corner and press the login button, enter in your information or credential and log into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your account where your tickets are stored, and then you can find the ticket you want to resell. There should be an option to sell next to these tickets if you are eligible for resell, and you will be promoted to set your resale price. Note that there might be a limit on how high you can set the price, as Ticketmaster aims to ensure fair pricing. Once you've set your price, you can list your ticket for resale. This will appear on the Ticketmaster website or for other fans' purchases. You'll also receive a notification if your tickets are sold. The proceed will be transferred to you according to the payment made specific by the Ticketmaster. And however, if you're unable to do this procedure, then you could go to the help portal. For that, you could go and type in help.ticketmaster.co.uk/resell tickets, and that's going to take you to the official help center page where you can go and read the articles regarding it and accordingly know about the terms and conditions, all sort of information, and that's how you can resell your tickets on Ticketmaster UK. And that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.